How to fix spam messages not detected by Bitdefender Antispam. If you are receiving many spam messages that are not marked as spam, you must configure the Bitdefender Antispam filter so as to improve its efficiency. Note, anti-spam protection is provided for all POP3/SMTP email clients. However, Bitdefender integrates through an easy-to-use anti-spam toolbar in the following email clients: Microsoft Outlook 2007/2010/2013/2016 and Mozilla Thunderbird 14 and higher. To properly configure Bitdefender Antispam, you can choose one of the following solutions. 1. If you are using one of the mail clients Bitdefender integrates into, you should indicate undetected spam messages. How to indicate undetected spam messages? 2. Add spammers to the spammers list. The email messages received from addresses in the spammers list will be automatically marked as spam. How to add spammers to the spammers list?